Shenseea says she always wanted 4 kids.
You want to have more kids
Of
eventually?
course. What you mean? I have babies. I always said I wanted 4.
Number 1, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now, Shenseea did an interview last night with Frank Rob 107, and that's a radio station, and I think it's based in Chicago. That's where the interviewer was. So, more than likely, that's where the radio station is based also, right? So, she talked a bag of things, people. You know, the interview was very interesting to say the least. She talked about wanting to do a collaboration with Dexter Daps. So, when you think about that, people, when you tell me that the comment section if you think that would be a great song. Dexter Daps featuring Shenseea, Shenseea featuring Dexter Daps. Now, I'm going to cut out some of the juicy bits them out of the interview. I'm going to have them part there for sure. So, I know them always a pressure Shenseea asks about who she a date and if she pregnant and all them something there. So, she finally talk about, you know what I mean, wanting more kids. We already know Raj did it. So, she says she want more children. So, let's hear what she have to say on that.
Any other babies in the picture? Do you want to have more kids
Of
eventually?
course. What you mean? I have babies. I always said I wanted 4. So there'll be 3
Really?
more. Yeah.
Oh, damn, girl.
I like the process of getting pregnant. I like to be pregnant. I like the push.
Well, here for that. Yeah.
I love everything about it, man. So, but, you know, based on how the world I run right now, you know, with like values and certain things like peer pressure and everything from social media, it's like I find myself like cutting down. So it's but I'm definitely gonna have an next child for sure. It's a must.
Well, in order to do that, you kind of have to have a boyfriend. So you know what my next question is.
Girl, where does that go? Sure.
Are you dating anyone right now?
Listen, and nobody else can say otherwise. I am not even flirting. No, honestly, like, listen, I said I'm gonna do everything that I wanted to do, and having a boyfriend is not one. It's just not there right now. Honestly, I feel like God himself, I forgot set up back that one day. I'm not gonna lie, I forgot set up somebody for find me because I don't even go out. So I don't know. So hey, people in the comments are say like, listen, as I said before me even answer, nobody other can even come say that. It's
no, I believe
possible.
I believe you. I do.
Nobody.
I feel like you would be honest if you did have somebody.
Yeah, I don't need to lie.
Because they didn't put you with everybody. They put you with Drake. They put you with 21 Savage. They put you with who else did they put you with? They put you with everybody.
Listen, I'm okay with people saying, hey, she and this person is dating, but really and truly, talk is cheap, you know. Get the evidence.
She has said she definitely want at least 1 more kid, and she not date nobody right now. You know, even the fans them must say a lie. So who the fans them must say she a date? If you don't know anything where Shenseea no know or me no know, you say we are so to put in the comment section. But people, I have to give that interviewer credit because she's great at following up questions, right? I'm going to tell you in a second the next question what she asked Shenseea. She says she worked 13 years in a radio thus far, you know what I mean? So big up to the interviewer. I don't know her name, you know, the radio station, it's called Frank Rob 107. So the next question what she asked Shenseea is, if she was to date someone, what type of man she'll look for? And Shenseea answered this very interestingly. Probably I know what some we expect, you know, including myself, but here what Shenseea says. So here goes.
If you did have a boo or a significant other, what are some of the qualities in a man that you like? What are the things that makes Shenseea tick?
Well, the first thing, you would have to be honest. Like, I just can't deal with the lies. Like, you know what I'm saying? I know say people will claim that they make a mistake by cheating or something. But you see, once you lie, that's just it, you know? Like, because I have to be able to trust you to even get in something with you. You get me? And once there's no trust, we can't even communicate. You get me? So everything falls on trust. We have to just learn how to be honest. If you can't be honest, we can't even communicate and we can't even trust you. So that's just the top tier for me. I don't care about looks. I don't care about what you have.
Oh, come on, 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 boo.
Yeah, man,
You don't care about look.
me say, if you talk to my friend them, then we tell you stay up your ugly man me talk to. That's what they say. See, one is in the comment right now. I don't care about looks. It's your personality me go for. Like, I remember one time me I talked to a man where them would I classify as say, hey, he's fine or whatever. But when me I get ready, the man I take long to get ready. He might look for himself 24/7. It become to a point where me I see somebody get up and be like, me I say, oh, yo, want me to you? He might go easy, body, he might go poop. So me say, why you can't poop right there? So it's just the simple things. You get me? Like, me can't deal with the little bougie thing. Me need my man for manual. It is me. Even if I come with a manual, what me have to go give him. He have to have it already.
So the year what Shenseea says, she says she not like the pretty boy thing. She not like the softy thing. She want a man where act manly. You know, understand. Right? So them even going to talking about signs, cause you know say Shenseea is a Libra, right? So them a say Libra man then lie though. Well, I'm not a Libra, so I don't know nothing about Libra. So the ladies them can confirm or deny that. If you not dated a Libra before and him lie, you know what I mean? Tell me in the comment section. If you dated a Libra and you feel like I do stereotypical talk that, you know what I mean, like you dated a Libra and him not lie, him good is a good person overall or whatever. Tell us in the comment section also. Now people, we are going to move into the lightning round. Now in this round, now the interviewer speed up things and she just showed some questions and the first thing will come to Shenseea mind, she will respond. So that party now, that party gets steamy. You see me, them going at some things. So I'm going to play that part the phone now and make on hear what go on. Here goes.
Favorite position.
Back shots.
Hold up your head and cock up your bottom. I knew it. I knew it. Okay. Let's see. Are you a giver or a receiver?
It depends, really and truly.
Okay.
Oh my God, I can't even tell you what it depends on, but
I was about to ask. You know that was my next question, right? Okay. I'm gonna let you slide on that one. I'm gonna let you slide. I'll give you a little pass.
I like both
Because
though. I like both. That's all you
ask.
know for now. I like both. Like I'm dominant, but at the same time, you know, yeah, man. Go on.
Okay. What is the naughtiest place you ever had sex?
In a tree. Yeah.
Like the song? Cannot water, cannot shit.
No. Yeah, in a tree.
What?
Yeah. I'm near sidewalk. Yeah, it's a tree.
How did you manage that?
Well, it was like
never mind.
A couple feet, so you know, and it has a lot of branches too, so you know, a lot of support right there. So, but yeah.
So look, tomorrow, y'all, don't be trying to be out there fucking in no trees.
Listen, I'm telling you though, you know,
up.
you see, adventure sex, like that's me. Ooh, the adrenaline and everything running. I love that. I love risk. Yes, I love the risk.
So there we go, people. We learn some things about Shenseea what we never know. Them thing that was she has singing a song for real. Strangle her and tie her up. We don't hear them thing there, a real thing. Alright. But people, you know what I mean, all fun and joke aside, this was a very interesting interview. And like I say, credits to the interviewer again, because she kept things moving. And Shenseea enjoyed. Want me tell you how me know say Shenseea enjoyed this? Even at the end, this just turned in our conversation, you know what I mean? After she done with that party and ask Shenseea, Shenseea say, now make me ask you some question. And Shenseea asks her the same question them, right? And she say she do it out her door and the lighthouse somewhere, must be Bermuda. And the thing is, Shenseea never met her before, because at one point Shenseea say, Ramesh could tell me say this me I get myself in her, right? So, you know what I mean, great interview. I don't know if them have a website where you can find the full thing, or you can check out the page. It's Frank Rab 107, and that's at, you know, on Instagram. Just put the at before it, and maybe it depend there or not. I don't know. Or you can DM them and ask them if you see the full thing. You see me? But people, big up on yourself. that's where I'm gonna leave it right now until me show you where Shenseea go on with after, cause she continued the conversation on her live. She went live by herself because she just the inner the vibes already, like me I tell you know, and she talk more upon the type of man what she want and them things. So I have that one there, but you know what I mean, I also have some other video we are forward today, but me I gonna make sure me get everything done for you, right? So no big up on yourself. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody, big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Stay safe out there. Do the right thing. Big up on yourself. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yadi.